Today, I'm going to show you how to disable Google Drive or completely remove it from your PC. If you're trying to free up space, reduce background processes, or simply clean up your system, removing Google Drive is a quick and simple task. In this guide, I'll walk you through every step in a clear and beginner-friendly way so you can complete the process without confusion. Start by heading to the Windows icon on your computer. You'll find it in the lower left corner of your desktop. Instead of a regular click, right-click on the icon. This opens a helpful menu that gives you shortcuts to important system tools and settings. From this menu, choose Settings. This will bring you into the main control center of your computer where you can manage display preferences, system updates, privacy features, and of course, installed applications. Once you're inside, look for the section labeled Apps. Clicking on this option will immediately display everything your computer currently has installed. Inside the Apps section, select Installed Apps. This is where you'll see a complete list of programs and utilities arranged neatly for easy navigation. If you have a lot of software on your PC, scrolling through the entire list can be time-consuming, so using the search bar at the top is the fastest method. Simply type the word Google into the search field. This filters the list instantly and highlights all programs related to Google, making it easy to find Google Drive. Once Google Drive appears in the results, move your cursor to the right side of that entry. You'll see 3 small vertical dots. Click on them to open a drop-down menu with several management options. This is where you control tasks like modifying, repairing, or uninstalling the app. For our purpose, choose Uninstall. A confirmation message may appear asking whether you really want to remove Google Drive from your computer. Go ahead and confirm. As soon as you accept, the uninstallation process begins. It usually takes only a moment, and once it's complete, Google Drive will be fully removed from your system. This not only stops it from running in the background, but also clears out unnecessary files associated with it. You've now successfully disabled and removed Google Drive from your PC. Keeping your device clutter-free makes it run smoother and helps you stay organized. Removing apps you no longer use is a great habit, and Windows makes the process simple. If you ever decide you want Google Drive again, you can download it anytime from the official website and reinstall it with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process easy to follow. If you have questions or want help with any other PC settings, feel free to drop a comment. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides.